So here I'll be going over the sine area formula, how to determine the area of a triangle when you have two sides that are given to you and you have an angle that is given that is between those two sides. So really we're talking about a specific case of a triangle where it's SAS, right? So let me give you an example. We have something that's like this, right? We have a given triangle here, and so I can label this as A, B, and C. And so we know that this is 30, and we know that this is 92, and this is 130 degrees, right? So this could be a possible case, or really any angle you can take. And so you have those three different measurements that are given to you. Now, the way how you solve or how you would compute the area for this triangle is you would say that area is equal to half times 30 times 92 times sine of 130 degrees. And so evaluating this further, again, sine of 130 degrees is obviously going to give you a positive value. Therefore, it makes sense why it doesn't really matter whether the angle is obtuse or not. You're not going to have an angle within the triangle that is greater than 180 degrees. So it's either going to stay in quadrant 1 or quadrant 2. Right? Your angle cannot be past 180 degrees. It's not going to go in quadrant 3 or 4. It's going to be either in quadrant 1 or quadrant 2. Therefore, that sine of that particular angle will always be positive, and obviously your area must be positive, right? It can't be negative. So it makes sense. And so evaluating this, you get that the area is equal to 1057.14 units square. So 1057.14 units square is your answer here. And so that was an example. Now exactly which formula had I used? Well, the formula states that in order to find the triangle of that specific case, SAS, we're really saying area is equal to half AB and then sine of C, right? So this indicates that we have two lengths, right? If, for instance, in this case 92 and 30, and we're finding sine of angle C. So obviously if this is A and B, right, this side length must be C, and the angle that's opposite lowercase c is this angle that is between these two side lengths, right, the 92 and the 30. Therefore, it makes sense that this case here is SAS. So the formula is A is equal to half times A times B times sine C. Obviously, it could be half times B, C, and then you would have sine of A, right? You can really have any combination. You could have half times A times C, and then you would have sine of B. It's just that this angle over here, right, this angle is going to be located between the two side lengths that are given to you. So that's the formula for determining the area, again, using your sine ratios. So thanks for watching.